How to use controller on GTA 5 PC Steam. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to use a controller to play GTA 5 on PC through Steam. Whether you're using an Xbox or PlayStation controller, I'll show you how to get everything set up in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your controller. First, connect your controller to your PC. If you're using an Xbox controller, just plug it in with a USB cable or connect it wirelessly with the Xbox adapter. For PlayStation, controllers like the DualShock 4 or DualSense, you can use a USB cable or connect it via Bluetooth. Step 2. Enable controller support in Steam. Now, open Steam and go to the top left corner. Click on Steam, then Settings, and go to Controller. Click on General Controller Settings. Check the box for your controller type, for example, Xbox or PlayStation. This helps Steam recognize and configure it properly. Step 3. Launch GTA 5 and activate Gamepad. Next, launch GTA 5 through Steam. Once you're in the game, go to Settings, then Gamepad. Make sure Gamepad enabled is set to On. The game should now automatically switch to controller mode. Step 4. Optional Troubleshooting. If your controller doesn't work right away, try unplugging and reconnecting. Also, you can right-click GTA 5 in your Steam library, go to Properties, then Controller and select Disable Steam Input to force the game to detect the controller directly. And that's it. You're now ready to play GTA 5 on your PC using a controller. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.